Okay, next round, open. Yeah. Alrighty, first round. Ooh. Al, Winston, P2, Vil. Is Vil around? Is Vil gonna join? Where'd Vil go?
What? You're up. Sure. Oh no, I got this one. Wait, which one's good? I don't know. The one's in your car. But I like the stuff. Right in the door. Yeah. I'm thinking of you when I did that. I thought I was thinking. What's that mean?
That's hard. That was 4 tables. It's going in the closet.
Okay, waiting for Vil. Who's in the lead? I think I am. 122. Wow, 95. Yeah, Vil's joining this one. Yeah. Yeah, the slower cars are actually fine here. Yeah. All right, Vil, go ahead and check in.
You hear the number, Rob? Vil? 122. I see.
Okay, enjoying. Remember, you're not racing each other. Let the faster cars go by. Okay, don't block anyone.
1 minute left.
All right, we're going in about 15 seconds.
Everybody block Winston.
All right,
15 seconds
15
left.
seconds. Remember, let the faster drivers go by.
10 seconds left.
You're racing against the clock, not each other.
Less than 5 seconds.
Don't bunch up. Space out.
Four 4.6, 5.9, 7.7, 6, 4.8, 4.7, 5.0, 4.9, 6, 4.7, 9.0, 4.6, 8.9, 7.1. 6.1, 5.7, 11.3, 5.5,
Wow.
8.0, 9.5, 8.1, 7 minutes left. 9.1. 4.5. 4.8. 4.4. 6.5. 5.7. 5.4.
Though we're 6 minutes left.
9.0.
Al, you're in a
5.3.
90 lap pace. P2,
7.1.
80 lap. Winston, 71.
4.8.
Bill.
5.0.
Bill Lozow, 72.
4.6. 5.0. 5.3. 4.9. 52. 5.3. 4.8.
We're 6 minutes
4.8.
left.
4.2. 5.9.
So quiet.
4.6. 5.2. 5.2. 4.9. 6. 4.6. 4.7. 5. 4. 6
See.
minutes left.
Al, your fast lap is 4.4.
6.8.
P2, 4.7. Winston, 4.2.
7.
Bill, 4.6.
4.5.
So I think, Al, you're faster in your slower
4.6.
car.
4.8.
Which makes sense.
5.6.
It actually does on this track.
4.4. 4.5. 10.5. 4.6. 6.6. 5. 4.8. 4.3. 4.7. 6.3. 4.5. 5.7. 4.9. 4.7. 5.4. 7.5. 5.2.
Al, is this a 5600?
6.7. 5.2. 5 minutes left.
Oh, 25 lipo.
4.9.
Okay, got it.
5.4. 7.9. 7. 4.2. 5.1.
And then Winston, you're at 4100?
6.7. 4.3.
440 left.
6.1.
Al, you're in 87 now.
4.5.
Winston, 86.
6.7.
P2,
4.8.
85. You guys are all within a lap of each other.
4.6.
Bill, 62.
5.2. 5.9.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh,
4.8.
420 left.
5.4. 5.2. 4.2. 5.4. 5.2. 7.1. 4.9. 9.0. 6.4. 4.9. 7.1. 4 minutes left.
4 minutes.
4.4. 4.7.
Winston actually is now.
4.6.
Winston with a 4-1. Fast lap on the track. 4-1.
5.1. 4.7.
And actually, Winston's up front now. Winston,
7.5.
Al, you're both on the 88. You guys are on the same lapish.
5.5. 5.7. 7.9.
Okay.
4.5.
P2, you're
4.3.
only 2 laps behind them.
4.6.0.
3.5 left.
4.8. 4.7. 4.5. 4.8. 6.9.
3:15 left.
4.7. 4.8.
Al, you're on an 89
4.7.
lap pace now. Winston on 88. P2, 84. Bill, 69.
4.5. 5.3 minutes left. 4.7. 4.2. 5. 7.4.4.
250 left.
4.5. 5.7. 6.4. 4.8. 4.9. 9.7.3. 4.6.
230 left.
4.2. 5.6.
Body tape. 230 left.
6.1. 4.7. 5.0. 4.3. 4.8. 5.8. 4.6. 4.2. 2 minutes left.
2 minutes.
6.7.
Al, you're now 90.
4.8.
Winston, 89 lapper.
5.4.
P2, 83. Bill, 66.
4.5. 9.5.
Al, your fast lap is down to
5.9.
4.3. Winston, 4.1. P2, 4.4. You guys are all really close.
4.7.
Bill, 4.5.
5.0.
So just coming down to mistakes now.
4.2.
And not hitting other cars. Let them by. Run by. Let everyone by.
5.4. 7.8.
130 left.
5.0.
Oh my God.
5.4. 6.8.
120 left.
5.0. 4.8. 5.1. 5.5. 4.5. 4.6.3. 4.1 minute left. 4.6.
All right, 1 minute.
4.4. 4.1.
Winston, you're still on a 90 lap pace. Al, you're also on a 90 lap
4.4.
pace.
4.5.
50 seconds.
4.7. 4.6. 4.8. 4.3. 5.0. 4.4. 9. 4.7. 4.9.
30 seconds left.
4.6.
Oh, Winston gets hung up.
5.5. 6.0. 10.2. 6.4. 4.2. 7.
Go on, Winston. You're still on 90 laps.
5.6.
15 seconds. 15 seconds.
4.8. 4.7.
Al, Winston, you guys are
5.1.
neck and neck.
5.7.
Keep going.
5.4.
5 seconds.
4.6.
5 seconds.
5.1.
Keep going. Keep going. Everyone, no one's done. Keep going.
5.6.
Keep going. Keep
3
going.
is done.
Winston, you're
11.6.
done.
2 is done.
Al, you're done.
1 is done.
P2, you're done.
4 is
Bill, you're
done.
done. Good race, guys. Winston and Al, you both got 90. Winston got 98.00. So Winston actually in front. Al, 98.03. P2, 83. And Bill, 70. You guys were like back and forth for a long time. Yeah. Winston, 90 laps. All right, Steve, Rob, you guys are up.